Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing the Becoming a Monkey Pro Part 2. Let's get straight into it. Just mute everyone here. There we go. And now, in the last video we learned how to do wall climbing like this, and while running like this. We became really good at wall running here, as you can see. Wall running and wall climbing. And we also learned about speed and agility. So, in this video, we are going to be becoming pros at pinch climbing and whatever you call that, wall bouncing or something. So this is how I usually wall bounce, like this. But I've been watching a few J-Man Curly videos, and what he does is he goes down like this, and then he will hit it, and then he will go like that, and it just gets like a lot faster. So like when you're going like this or something like that, and he kind of just goes like this, and whenever he gets over here, he hits it 2 times, and it gets up there a lot faster. So again, he just goes like this, and then 2 tap, 2 tap, 2 tap, and up, just like that. So now if we do that like one more time, we should be a pro at this. A lot of times do better than the other, but if we do this, let's do this one more time, and we'll learn how to do that a lot faster at the end of the series. We're just gonna
this game has been out for 7 years.
Like that. And so, yeah. Now we are going to get into pinch climbing like this. I'm not the best at it, but there you have it. You kind of did it. And yeah, so if we just try this again real quick. And it's technically impossible to escape the map now because slippery walls, and also if you delete the app, it will just spawn you back in and you have all your stuff. So I'm sure you can get a lot better at this, but now let's try to focus on more of the scaling tree pinch climbing. So what I mean by that is
I'll teach you. Hi.
Hold on. Let me just mute everyone again. Like that. Then we just climb up, get on that tree, and then we should be ready to go. So just climb up like this, get on this, and then kind of just start scaling it. That's how I do it. Your arms get really sore after a while. So I'm just gonna come up here, I'm already pretty good at climbing up these things, like going like this and stuff. It's a lot easier one-handed. But what I mean is when you get on a branch like this and then start going like that, and then when there's no more branches in the way, kind of just, but I'm not the best at climbing trees. So, and then jump on this one, then on this one, and this one, and then you can get on this one, like that, and then on this one, and then scale it all the way to the top, and that's kind of it, really.
255. Yeah.
But yeah, it's technically it. And then, so you've learned how to pinch climb on trees and like this. Now we're gonna learn how to pinch climb like that. Let me just get tagged by a lava monkey real quick.
Can someone leave?
Like that. And then we're just gonna come over here and then meet this guy. Okay. And we're going to learn how to do this. Like that. It's pretty hard, but pretty easy. A place that we can go to get really good at it, though, is to the canyon map. So, come over here. The boring canyon map. Creepy. And learn how to do it on this.
Come back.
Oh, I'm not in the canyon anymore. I am the poop.
That's kind of where the 5-year-olds hang out, so we're gonna leave.
Stop crying. You know, I just stopped with
But
I'm sorry.
yeah, we are technically
Bro, it's the
a
greatest
pro now,
It's the greatest feeling.
kind of. And if we just know how to, kind of like J-Man Curly Pro.
You're about to get tagged.
Like, if you just go like this and kind of stuff. I'm J-Man Curly. Oh my gosh. And then,
Don't ruin it, don't ruin it. He's not.
but now,
How do you do that, bro? How do you climb like that? How do you stick to the walls? What?
we're kind of like
Tag leg.
good now. And of course I'm it. So let's go tag some monkeys.
In Gorilla Tag existence, dude.
What?
When you join a lobby and all, like half of them are like nooba monkeys, and there's
Got
already
him.
one split in the lobby, but he's actually and they're toxic, and you're better than them.
Oh yeah, you know, that's the best feeling. When there's 9 guys in a lobby,
There's
one's got a
person
golden
that's
monkey head
actually
and
good
a
at the game.
chicken leg. Like the golden monkey head and a chicken leg, and he's just so toxic. And then you join and you just destroy them and make them leave.
Bro, for real, dude. Bro,
It's like,
wanna
I
know
swear,
the
it's
worst
always the
feeling?
golden monkey heads with the chicken leg.
Bro, wanna know
Okay.
the worst feeling ever?
What?
When someone when you tag someone and they report you just for tagging
Got
them.
him. Good job, dude.
That's the worst feeling ever. When you tag someone, then they start being toxic and report you.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna report you since you tagged me. I'm just kidding. I'm not.
As we're talking about that,
I was like 6 feet away from that dude. I don't know how I got him. Okay.
Bro, when there's a 9-year-old and they're toxic, dude.
We're just gonna.
and you
Black
put them in their
monkey's the
place
last
and, like,
one.
stomp
So
on them.
right there.
Bro, they literally
Just
call you
stomp on
trash and bad at the game. Then after and you start wall climbing and he doesn't know how to wall climb. That's the greatest feeling.
Boom.
Got him. Good job, dude. Good job. Well, technically, we are professionals now. We know how to do everything in the game. Except that.
Dude, I swear. Gorilla Tag has just
Literally, I was just about to go into a new lobby, and I became the lava gorilla. So, one random person's gonna be the lava
Oh
gorilla.
well, that was the end. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like and subscribe. And I will see you later.